down. All right, chat, I'd say I'm going the wrong way. We're going right through the hurricane.
Dbob. This could cause some damage. You don't want to be near your windows.
Going to borrow some sugar from my neighbors. I got one. Pretty sure you can't park there, chat. This is normally all water. That's crazy. Excuse me, palm tree, sir. You can't park there.
Where you are right now is where you should probably stay at this point, because that is
okay. Oh my God.
Hey, I need to see my grandma. Is there any way I can have you move this?
You thinking what I'm thinking?
I had nothing else better to do when you're stuck on the side of the road waiting for a tree to be moved.
You need to get into the interior of your home. Do not venture outside at all.
All right, chat, we got 250 mile an hour. Wow. Oh my God! It's not looking too hot over here, guys. I'm not gonna walk under this tree because that would be silly. I don't really want to be getting smacked with. In the great words of Shoresy, the boys don't like the lumber. Everything's no cars on the road, chat. It is just me. I called my cousin Lito and I'm gonna go scoop him up. Oh shit. Hell yeah, brother. Ain't no police on the island. Crockett, look at the size of these nuts. We're taking this home, chat, out here on the island somehow. Alright, chat, as you can see, we're out here in storm force winds. From 155 mile an hour sand. The beach club has... It's so crazy. There's no water. This is all the wind's blowing about 279 miles per hour right there. This is crazy. Well, we certainly ain't going that way. I need an inside windshield wipers. Did we not get out this way? The power line's right there. Oh my God. Look at this guy, Jack. Oh my God. There's no lights on. Hey bud, are you down to clown?
Yeah, buddy.
Getting the boys. We ain't getting through this way, chat. There's some trees in the road. Get on my back, brother.
No, it's floated.
I know. I'm not watching by myself. I'm with my boy. It's the next day, everything's destroyed. This is 2 days later, chat. This isn't supposed to be water. Hey! Read the sign! Holy macaroni and cheese.